Material Selection Guidance. The feature of Material Selection Guidance is designed to recommend suitable plastics for product applications and provide related information about these plastics. This is the main page of the Material Selection Guidance. Following are the operational instructions. On the left is the tag filtering panel, and on the right are the filtered results of recommended materials. Start by selecting requirement tags from application categories, feature categories, or processing methods. You can also use keyword search for tags. For example, you can select automotive lighting from the application category. On the right, a list of recommended materials will be filtered and displayed, along with a pie chart analysis. Different polymer types are represented by different colors. After selecting a material from the recommended material list, on the far right, you will immediately see detailed information about the plastic, including supplier website, all applications, features, and processing methods. You can further refine your material selection by using multiple tags. For example, you can select yellow card from the feature category and extrusion from the processing method. The right side will then display a list of recommended materials that meet these tag criteria. If no materials match the criteria with multiple tags, you can delete filtering tags above or select tags again to filter the recommended material list once more. Furthermore, it should be noted that tool panel within the recommended material list can be linked to other features.